Russia must feel what its losses mean. That is what will push it toward diplomacy.
Ukraine carried out a massive surprise attack on Russia over the weekend, destroying more than 40 military aircraft at 4 different bases, thousands of miles apart, stretching across the country. Some estimates say more than a third of Russia's strategic long-range bombers were taken out. An unprecedented strike that saw some drones hitting targets more than 4,000 miles from Ukraine.
Russia is the one that refuses to engage in a ceasefire, and so we should not expect Ukraine to sit there and simply just allow itself to be pummeled.
On Sunday, Moscow hitting back with its biggest air attack of the war so far. Almost 500 drones launched towards Ukraine, killing more than 12 soldiers. The back and forth came just hours before teams from both countries meet in Istanbul for the second round of talks aimed at ending the war.
We sincerely believe that by making the most of this opportunity, you will bring us one step closer to peace.
Ukraine and the West are pushing for an immediate ceasefire and a broader exchange of prisoners, but expectations for a breakthrough are low. And Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky says if Russia doesn't get serious about peace during these talks, the U.S. and Europe should increase the economic pressure on Moscow.
If the Istanbul meeting brings nothing, that clearly means strong new sanctions are urgently needed.
A bipartisan bill ramping up sanctions on Russia is making its way through the Senate right now. In London, Greg Palkot, Fox News.